Hello everybody, welcome back to another video to Sean Storm Tracking. In this video on this fantastic October 20th, 2025, on this fantastic Monday afternoon. In this video guys, we're going to be tracking Charles Storm's, not Charles Storm, but MS98L guys. And it's better become our next name Storm, which is Melissa. And yeah, so if you like YouTube videos to my channel, guys, please hit that like button, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you don't miss no uploads. So let's get right into the videos right now. We're tracking Invis98L, guys. It's better to become my next name Storm, which is Melissa. You can see it spread out right now in Eastern Caribbean right now, and it will develop pretty soon. So please be mindful of that. Please be mindful of that. Now let's grab towards the go satellite. You can see it, guys. Pretty organized shining storms right now are parts of the Eastern Caribbean, guys. But the circulation of it now is pretty strong, but the convection of it is pretty deep. So looking at the looking at the most of the models, guys, looking at the model 10 guys, most of the model 10 guys has become at least staying at least down to a charge storm. Only if you has become a hurricane. Looking at these guys, these GFS models have going towards the Mid-Atlantic, the Midst Bahamas to the east. Same thing with this, what's different about this, all your future game models have going towards the Mid-Atlantic, the missing Bahamas to the east, but most of them taking this westward track, possibly down, then possibly back up towards Cuba, I mean not Cuba, but Jamaica, possibly towards Cuba and the Bahamas. And same thing with this guy, going towards Jamaica, Cuba, and the Bahamas. So now let's go towards our models. So starting with the European model, guys. First now, guys, the European model is hyperstar, so please take this with a grain of salt. This will most likely change. So we got the European model, guys. You see, by the time towards mid this week, late this week, into the next weekend, guys, into early next week, guys. By next Monday, it finally moves back down. Then moves up to the north like that, missing Jamaica, but still bringing carbon bursts and strong impacts. Then going on right over towards Cuba, then over towards the Bahamas, like the very strong system. So something we need to mind of, guys. This will change most likely. There's no reason that's gonna pull back towards the west, so it's all from Cuba from making landfall to the U.S. So now not to the U.S. landfall, chances is pretty low. It moves out of here. GFS, whole different scenario, different solution, different case right now. Has system going right up towards the Metapublic, the missing the Metapublic, and going up towards the north. And starting out towards East Bahamas and going out at sea. So yeah. And the Canamo just had system just moving and not developing at all. Maybe developing just a little bit, but barely developed, barely becoming something. Barely a depression or a storm on the Canam model. Now the windshield environment is gonna be out there. So there's gonna be a lot of windshield that's gonna be beating up the storm up. So you can see us mid next week, guys. You see mid next week it starts developing and move up towards the north, bound by a lot of windshield, a lot of westerly winds to the backside of it. Moisture. There's gonna be a lot of moisture with the storm, guys. You see moisture gradient next week. You can see moves up to the north. It gets right around by a lot of moisture. So there's gonna be a lot of dry air off the ground of this system. But right now, there's not a lot of dry air in front of the system. Maybe a little bit, but not as much. But this trough comes to and gets right around by a lot of dry air. Now let's look at our models, guys. So all the heavy models, summons, guys, showing the system, going right down there towards the Caribbean, towards the Central Caribbean, then before we bring that job back towards the north, missing Jamaica, but going on towards Cuba, the Bahamas. and even parts of, yeah, Cuba and the Bahamas. Now, Jeff Vest and Summers guys, Jeff Vest and Summers guys, whole different case right now. All Jeff Vest and Summers has some doing this track, trying to limit much area, but hitting the mid planet and Miss Bahamas to the east. So that's gonna be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.